Hello and welcome to the Tarkus Zone. Thank you for joining me. I was just able to, we'll be playing the game today, Meet Your Maker. I was just able to buy a piece of burial ground here. Escape. I don't want to leave the tutorial here, but I was able to buy my first piece of land to build in this game. And to answer the question about reloading my gun, I figured that out, how to do that. You actually have to pick the bolts up after you shoot them. So if you shoot down a creature, you've got to go to the creature, get the bolt, and the gun automatically reloads. You pick up the bolt, and the weapon reloads. So that's how you reload in this game. I earned enough credits to buy this piece of land, and they're telling me I can build. So it looks like off the bat it says that this green line is the path to get to my treasure. And I don't think I can move the treasure. Let's just see here what my options are. Build menu is tab. So I can build a trap. What's this E? Okay, what's this Q? Oh, that allows me to go through the different assets that okay, so I only have one trap that I've researched that's available to me for building. Okay, so let me just confirm that. And it says that I can put a trap down. So why don't I, just for the sake of doing a trap, you cannot place it here. Okay, it's got to be in an area where it's green. So these are all red. Open up the supply and place a trap on the highlighted surface. Oh, so, okay, tutorial. Basically, all right, so this is not a free build option. This is the tutorial part of it, and I've got to follow their instructions completely. So, open the supplies and place a trap, and, okay, Tarkus is getting it. Tarkus is not too much of an idiot today. So they want me to adding mods to adding mods to traps. Ooh, nice. Attach a mod by hitting F. Oh yeah, Tarkus loves this. I gotta get closer. I'm hitting F. Attach a mod. Look at the trap and open F trap modes. Alright, what am I doing wrong here? Maybe I need to go back up. I bet I have to... Okay, how do I get... Okay, oh, okay, I guess in this mode. So I did what they asked me. I placed the... And now it's asking me to hit F to put mods in. Attach a mod. Look at the trap and open F trap mods. Okay, am I that crazy to not oh, there it is. Oh wow, that was weird. Okay, so these are the mods that I can add. So it looks like this is going to take me 50. Okay, test your outpost. You can gain vulnerable insight on how the trap performs by testing your outpost. I get that. So can I do a second mod for the second slot? No. Okay, well that's cool. I don't know why I guess I had to, and now it's locked. So I guess once you mod it, you can't get back into it. But again, I guess I have to follow the tutorial here. So let's test the outpost. Open the escape menu and select test from the start. Okay, test. Okay, so it's inactive because I haven't activated it. You do not have enough Genmat left to activate your outpost. Probably can't activate it anyway because it's a tutorial, but they asked me to test it, so I'm going to test it here. I got to hold the button down. Here I am going into my own. All right. I get that. Find a steel and steal the... Okay, well, I mean... Escape the outpost. Well, we get this. I mean, we basically were shown how to... Did that trap reset, though? Oh, it did. Oh, it's going to reset because I haven't destroyed it. So, obviously, it was going to reset because I didn't destroy it. and then you just hit it. Escape. Go back to the tutorial. Alright. Okay, here. Defend with guards. Oh, I can put guards in. Cool. So where do I need to put the place? Open the supply and place an enforcer guard in the highlighted spot. Okay, targets, you gotta follow instructions here. I can't just place it willy-nilly. It's gotta be placed where they want me to place it. Where do they... Oh, right there. They want me to place it here. Okay, guard. There you are. Set a patrol path. Okay, how do I do that? I imagine I have to hit F to interact with it again. Oh, neat. Okay. Record the path, move the guard, and create a patrol path. Okay, use the F autocomplete command to automatically turn to your starting position or walk back manually and hit F to complete. Okay, I get that. So I want you to go here, I want you to go here, and then that's where I want you to go. And, okay, and then I can add, all guards can be augmented to be more deadly. Add an augment. Okay, so that's, oh, this is cool. Okay, so what can I, oh, I've already done the, okay, I guess I have to do it again. Have you guys come here? Okay, that's it. So, augment is just hit, there we go. You can't hold it down, you just gotta hit it. And so the augment here is test your outpost to get it. So what was the augment? Increases the range of the enforcer's vision. Oh, okay, cool. Alright, so now I've got to test my creation. Some of these things you got to hold down the key, and others you just hit it once. Let's see if that guy does what I want him to do. Thought I had put him on a patrol. Maybe I didn't save that patrol. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like I didn't. Oh, no, he's. Oh, he moved. And then, like I was saying, I got to get my bullet back. Give me 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 my bullet back. Okay. I guess that's the find and steal. Oh, I got to do the whole thing here. Alright, and here we go. Exit the outpost. Okay, so that's done. Reach the desert starting. I did do that. Okay. Test again from start. I want to exit outpost, right? Oh no, I don't want to exit. No, because we're not done the tutorial yet. I wish I could have bypassed this. I'll go to exit here. So what are you asking me to do now? Oh, I have to actually escape. Alright. If targets would just follow instructions. Okay, so the next part is manage the outpost. So I get a clear path. Need to get the gamut from this outpost. Okay. So this allows me to put obstructions up. And those are in red. Okay, I guess I can put one there. Yep. Automatic pathing. The harvester automatically adjusts to find the new path. Okay, so that's cool. So now, because I block that, there's a new path. Alright. I cannot place a block there. Can I put a block on top? I cannot place a block there. Am I done with the block? Break harvester's path. Delete the highlighted block. Okay. That's follow instructions. Alright. Delete. Okay. Broken path. Did I delete it? Oh no. It wants me to fix the path. Okay. The path to the extract in the shipping station is fixed, and the harvester will ship Genmat back to your sanctuary. The harvester always takes the shortest path to the Genmat. It will find this path automatically. Okay. Let's look at the terrain. Each outpost requires a minimum number of traps and guards. Each outpost requires a minimum number of traps and guards. Place these traps among the harvester paths to reach the... Okay. To activate your outpost, it must have a valid harvester path and meet the minimum requirements of traps and guards. So you can't just make an easy mode thing. Reach minimum defense. Place traps and guards along the harvester's path. Alright, well, let's just do that. So here's the traps. I mean, this is a tutorial, so this is not my preferred creation. I'm just going through the motions here to get this done so that I can build my own. Okay, where else is it asking me? Down there, down there, down there. Okay, and now because I've done that, I can activate. I've got the minimum amount of traps. Minimum selected. Activate outpost. Inactive. So here I hit this to activate it. Okay. Select. Inactive. Overdrive. Outpost active players will raid. Oh, these are the selection. Okay, so here, it's activated there. Confirm. From this exercise, we'll pretend your outpost has killed raiders. Skull stones are left in your outpost when raiders die. Collect the parts. Okay, so as people die in my shop of horrors here, I have to go in here and manually collect, it looks like, these items. The command center in your station will notify you when raiders die in your outpost. That's pretty cool. And the tutorial is complete. Okay, I mean, I didn't follow instructions all that well, but that was the tutorial for Meet Your Maker. They kind of just showing you how to do it. What I ended up doing to start that tutorial was come in here and went to build, and I ended up claiming this one here. I claimed this one. It was 1500. I own it now, and now it looks like I can just go back to here, and it's inactive because I haven't really done anything yet with it, because that was a tutorial that I was running. So I'm going to be able to, now I'm going to go in here and work on this. I think if I hit E, oh no, it's over here, build. So this is, so I can just go in here and now I can build it. I gotta basically follow their minimum requirements, and then I activate it, and then anyone in the world can then raid it. So I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for joining me. This has been the Tarkus Zone.